Every beginner wants to know how to write code. But great programmers ask a better question. How do I build software that doesn't break? In this video, I'll show you the mindset and habits behind building strong, reliable, unbreakable software. Unbreakable software doesn't mean software with zero bugs. That doesn't exist. It means software that handles errors, doesn't crash easily, is easy to fix, and doesn't fall apart when something goes wrong. The number one reason software breaks is complexity. Simple code is strong code. Short functions. Clear names. One job per function. If your code is hard to read, it's already broken, you just don't know it yet. Good software assumes things will go wrong. Users will click the wrong button. Inputs will be empty. Servers will go down. Always check for errors. Always handle bad input. Never assume things will work perfectly. Even experienced programmers make mistakes all the time. That's why testing matters. Test your code. Test edge cases. Test the weird situations no user should ever do, because someone will. Unbreakable software is not built all at once. Start small. Make it work. Then improve it. When you build huge systems too fast, bugs hide everywhere. Small steps make problems easier to find and fix. Software will break eventually, and that's okay. What matters is how fast you can fix it. Clear structure. Good naming. Comments where needed. Future you will thank you. Unbreakable software isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. On our YouTube channel called Programming with MIQ, we have courses on different programming languages including Python, PHP, JavaScript, TypeScript, Dart, Rust, Ruby, C, C++, Assembly, Kotlin, Java, Go, SQL, GD Script, C#, and many more. So, start your journey by clicking on our channel picture below the video to visit our channel and start your journey in building safe, unbreakable software with us, or search for Programming with MIQ. If this helped you, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.